Module 1, Connecting. Procedure Checklists. When you finish the Language for Healthcare Aid program and move into the Healthcare Aid in the Workplace Certificate program, you will use Mosby's Canadian Textbook for the Support Worker. That textbook comes with procedure checklists for a variety of procedures that you will learn to do in that program. In this course, we will look at excerpts from some of those procedure checklists. The goal in this course is not to teach you how to do the procedures. In the certificate program, healthcare professionals will teach you how to do those procedures. The goal in this course is for you to think through some of the communication that might take place as you do the procedures. What would you say when doing the different steps? That is, you will use the procedure checklist to contextualize your communication in real-life activities that healthcare aides do. In this Moodle book, you will look at checklists for 2 procedures that might be used with clients who have mobility challenges: helping a client sit on the side of the bed, transferring a client from a bed to a chair or wheelchair. Important. These are not the full procedure checklists. Items have been removed that are not relevant to communicating with the client. To see the full procedure checklist, you will need to be enrolled in the HCA certificate program. Read through the procedure checklists. Imagine yourself doing the procedures with a client who has difficulty moving. Think about what you learned in the previous video about talking with clients who have disabilities, physical disabilities. Think about how you would first approach the client. Would you knock on the door? What would you say as you entered to introduce yourself? What would you say to explain why you are there? What would you say throughout the procedure to maintain client dignity? What would you say throughout the procedure to help your client achieve as much independence as possible? What would you say to give them choices and to respect their preferences? Think about some of the language from the previous video. Then, as you are looking at the checklist, verbalize what you might say. This means to speak it out loud, perhaps even record yourself. Speaking out loud has many advantages. It helps you remember new language. It helps you develop fluency with new language. It gives you an opportunity to work on your intonation and tone. You might want to run through this information with a friend or tutor and ask if your tone sounds friendly and encouraging.